Picture windows are a beautiful addition to any Loves Park home. With their large, fixed glass design, they frame outdoor views, flood interiors with natural light, and enhance curb appeal. Because they don't open or close, many homeowners assume picture windows require little attention beyond choosing a quality product. However, one of the most important factors in how long your picture windows last isn't just the window itself, it's the quality of the installation. In Loves Park's climate, where cold winters, humidity, and seasonal storms are common, professional installation plays a critical role in maximizing performance and lifespan. Why proper installation matters. Picture windows are fixed units, meaning they rely entirely on their seal and frame for structural integrity. Unlike operable windows, they don't have moving parts to adjust if something shifts. That makes precision during installation absolutely essential. If a window isn't properly aligned, sealed, and insulated, you may experience air leaks and drafts, water intrusion during rain or snow, premature seal failure, frame warping, reduced energy efficiency over time. These issues can significantly shorten the life of your window. Accurate measurements ensure a perfect fit. Professional installers begin with precise measurements of the window opening. Even slight miscalculations can create gaps that compromise performance. In Loves Park, where winter temperatures drop well below freezing, a poorly fitted window can allow cold air infiltration. A professional installation ensures the picture window fits squarely within the frame, minimizing stress on the glass and surrounding structure. A perfect fit reduces movement, prevents long-term structural strain, and supports lasting durability. Advanced sealing and insulation. One of the most important steps in window installation is sealing the perimeter. Professionals use high-quality flashing, expanding foam insulation, and weather-resistant sealants to create a tight barrier against the elements. In Loves Park's snowy winters and humid summers, this sealing process helps prevent water intrusion, block drafts, reduce condensation risks, protect interior walls from moisture damage. Improper sealing can lead to hidden water damage behind walls, which may not be noticeable until costly repairs are required. Protecting against freeze-thaw cycles. Loves Park experiences seasonal freeze-thaw cycles that can stress building materials. If a picture window isn't installed with proper insulation and drainage considerations, moisture can freeze and expand around the frame. Professional installers understand how to account for these local conditions. Proper flashing and drainage systems ensure water is directed away from the window opening, preventing long-term damage. Supporting energy efficiency over time. Picture windows are often chosen for their energy efficiency. Their fixed design creates a tight seal, reducing air leakage. However, that benefit depends entirely on expert installation. If small gaps are left around the frame, even the most advanced insulated glass unit won't perform as intended. Professional installation ensures proper alignment, secure anchoring to structural framing, continuous insulation around the window perimeter. This attention to detail protects your investment and keeps your home comfortable year-round. Preserving manufacturer warranties. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. Improper installation can void warranties, leaving homeowners responsible for repairs or replacement. Hiring experienced professionals ensures compliance with manufacturer guidelines, protecting both your window and your peace of mind. Long-term value for Loves Park homes. Picture windows are often a focal point of a room. They enhance views, increase natural light, and elevate overall design. Because they are large and highly visible, any installation flaw becomes immediately noticeable over time. Professional installation ensures your window remains structurally stable, free from leaks, energy efficient, visually appealing. This protects your home's comfort and resale value. Investing in longevity. Picture windows are built to last for decades, but only when installed correctly. In Loves Park's varied climate, proper installation is the foundation for long-term performance. By choosing professional installation, you maximize your picture window's lifespan, maintain energy efficiency, and protect your home from moisture-related damage. When it comes to safeguarding your investment and ensuring years of clear, beautiful views, expert installation isn't optional, it's essential.